Welcome to the Soul Script podcast. Here we explore how to unlock the power of our story. Our journey here on earth can be one of deep passion, intentional creation, and personal transformation. The only thing holding us back is our stories. Come and join me as we rewrite and reignite. Welcome to this episode of the Soul Script podcast. Today may be a little different than our typical agenda, and that is because I really need just this energetic cleansing. And I thought, well, if I need this energetic cleansing, what if I just do it with you guys today? What if we do this together? Because I'm sure you also need a little bit of an energetic cleanse. We all do. This should probably be a practice that we each do every single day, but especially when you're feeling just overwhelmed. And so we're going to do that today. We're going to do that together. So the main reason why I am needing this energetic cleanse today is fears coming up, is just overwhelm, feeling like I have so much to do and so little time. All right, so I'm just going to kind of talk you through what I'm doing and what I like to do. It looks a little different each time I do it. So this isn't what I'll always do. I just try to tune in to see what I need to do. And so this is what I'm doing today. All right, I'm just going to walk you through what I'm doing. Okay, I'm closing my eyes and I'm taking some deep breaths, and for some reason I usually yawn a bunch, and I'll even stretch my arms up over my head. So I'm doing that right now. I'm just kind of moving my body. You can't see me, but putting my hands overhead, stretching out my chest, moving side to side, rolling my shoulders back, and just trying to be kind of present here in my body. Taking some more breaths and yawning a whole bunch. And as I take those deep breaths, I just bring all of the energy that I've extended and outwards, and I just bring it back into me. So you have your to-do list, all of these things. I told you I yawn a lot when I do this. I think it's just this release, or maybe that I'm finally breathing deep enough. But, we've kind of put all of our energy out there. We've put our energy into our kids, into our work, into the neighbors. Think of all those text messages that you've sent out, all the emails that you've sent out, all of the social media where you've extended your energy. And I want you to pull it back from all of those places. Yes, even your kids. Yes, your husband. Yes, work, just for a minute. And I'm going to bring it all in. So I'm just going to take a second. Yawn some more. Man, I feel like I can't get like a true yawn in there, like a satisfying yawn. So I'm going to just take some more deep breaths, and I have my hands on my chest, and I'm going to think about bringing all of that energy back in. You don't even have to know where that energy is. You don't have to have it visualized or have a knowing of exactly what you're extending your energy to. You can just set the intention. I'm just going to release everything. I'm just going to bring it back in. I'm almost seeing, just a big mama octopus, and she has all her hands, all her tentacles outstretched, and she's holding on to different things. She's gonna let those go. I see the little tentacles just and releasing it and coming back to herself. All right. I feel like I've done a pretty good job at that. Oh, there it was. I got this full deep yawn after releasing all of that energy from outside. So it's like I had a fullness in my chest and my breath. I could actually fill my lungs. Oh, I got another one coming. I'm sorry. I am yawning so much. Maybe it's making you yawn too. Also, by the way, I just opened my eyes and it's 2:34. 2:34. We're coming into alignment with our numbers 2, 3, 4. All right, I have my tentacles all back in, but I can feel that I still have a lot of fears. And when I think about something, it just makes my heart just clench up and I get so nervous. So I'm just going to try to let go of those fears. I'm just going to release them. I just have this desire to move my back. So I wonder if I'm holding a lot of my fears in my back. So I'm just stretching. Just follow whatever it is that's coming to you. If you want to get up and you want to walk around, or you want to shake your hands, or you want to stretch, or you want to yawn. Oh my gosh. I'm sure this is so annoying to listen to as I'm sitting here yawning. But listen to your body. It's telling you stuff. It's releasing stuff. I'm releasing through my yawns, through my breath. Okay, I'm getting rid of those fears. It's okay. I'm coming back to center. I'm actually having a specific fear come up. And it's about like my value, about putting myself out there, asking for a return in my value, specifically with money, and just being nervous. Oh no, did I give the wrong price? What do they think? And just coming back and just saying, you know what? You put what you felt you were of value, and if they don't respect that, then that's okay. We're just going to let it go. We don't need it. We don't need to stress ourselves about it. Oh, that feels good. It feels really good to let go. Okay, so releasing some of the to-dos, bringing our energy back to center, releasing some of the fears, identifying them, letting them go. And now I just want to, I'm having a feeling to just envision some light coming through the top of my head from the sun, the power of the sun, the energy of the sun, the cleansing energy of the sun. When the sun energy comes down and through you, there's almost nothing, there's no darkness left in there, right? So I'm going to have the energy of the sun come down to the top of my head, and I just want it to fill every nook and cranny. While breathing it in, breathing in the light, and letting go all of the darkness. Just continuing to work down my body. Moving my body how I need to, rolling my neck around right now, feeling that release. I feel right now that I want to take my to-do list and I see it written out in front of me. My to-do list is so long today. It feels so overwhelming, but I'm still feeling like I'm holding this burden of the to-do list. So I'm going to take the to-do list out. I'm going to hold it in front of me just mentally. And I'm just going to ask for help in achieving this to-do list, for angels to be with me, for the universe to be on my side. I want to manifest ease in doing this to-do list, and I kind of just hand it off for my divine help, however that might look for you. And I'm just asking that I can be assisted. And that feels really good. I felt this kind of lightening in my chest. And another huge yawn. And I have some tears coming out of my eyes too. I can feel them dripping down my cheeks as I'm releasing there as well. Which is what we're doing. We're just giving ourselves an energetic cleanse. We're just releasing stuff. All right, I'm going to come back to that sunlight, seeing that sun come down on my head and go through my body all the way down to my toes. And now I'm just full of light, full of sunlight, warmth, bright, sunny light. I also want to just ground here for a minute. It would be really nice to be able to go outside right now and just lay on the grass. Oh, there's this spot in my yard that has this little hill, just a little guy. And I often lay on that because my head's elevated and, my feet are, it's a comfortable position, right? I lay down on the grass and just let the sun shine down on me and just let the earth ground me. That's what I'm envisioning right now. It's snowy out on the ground at the time of me recording this, which is probably an entire month before you're listening to it, because I'm pre-recording all of these when I'm in Morocco and Spain for the month of April. But maybe you have some grass outside that you can go lay down on. For me, I'm just going to imagine it. And I'm just going to let all of the extra stuff, the stresses, just drain and go down into the earth. And I'm going to imagine there's just these really strong roots growing out of me and not confining me, not holding me down in like a prison. I don't want that to be the energy, but just a rooted energy, a stable, steady, sturdy energy. That was almost a tongue twister. Bringing in just that energy of groundedness, of having these roots growing out of me and just growing into the earth, so I'm not swayed by or easily moved or blown about by the stuff that comes my way. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling much better. I'm going to ask if there's anything else that I need to do. That's always a good thing to ask. Just ask yourself, do I need to do anything else at this time? No, I think I just need to get up and really move my body is what I'm feeling. But maybe you got another answer. Maybe you need to do something else. Maybe you need to drink some water. That also sounds really nice. Maybe I need to go drink some water and help physically move stuff through me. You can give yourself like a lymph massage. That helps move physical stuff, which physical and energetic things are highly connected. So moving, going for a walk, giving yourself a lymph massage, brushing through your hair, giving yourself a scalp massage, all of those could be really cleansing. All right, I'm just going to finish off by taking a few more deep breaths. And we'll finish it there. Thank you so much for joining me on this transformative journey today. If you found this episode inspiring and thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with someone in your life who's ready to embrace their own hero's journey. Speaking of transformation, if you're looking for personalized guidance to rewrite your life's narrative and ignite your true potential, be sure to explore our one-on-one transformation coaching services at soulscriptstudio.com. Your support makes a world of difference. Until next time, keep rewriting and reigniting your story.